One of the China big four automaker has unveiled a new all-electric concept truck, and it looks uncannily like Tesla iconic but controversial Cybertruck. Pairing the working little 2024 concept pickup truck, China knockoff Cybertruck would likely carry a price far cheaper than Tesla luxury vehicle based on China billion in electric vehicle subsidies. The model on display this week at the 2024 Beijing Auto Show boasted a pop-up tent over meters in its truck bed, protected by a heftier but more round silver metal body, plus a full-length rear LED that convey messages to passing motorists. This steep new competition comes as Tesla has issued a sweeping recall of over 4,000 Cybertruck, citing safety issues with EV's accelerator pedal cover, which are not discovered, can slide off and become snagged on the carpet. The flaw has been found to lack of Cybertruck's pedal in the place, plugging the futuristic stainless steel behemoth out of control at the top speed. Wuhan-based Dongfeng, which built the Cybertruck SQ concept EV, sells over 2 million cars each year, primarily by cooperative venture with foreign car makers including Japanese owner Honda and Nissan and France-based Peugeot. Like Tesla Cybertruck, Dongfeng concept truck come with the blunt wedge-shaped or sledgehammer design, a steep snooped nose up front, and the cargo bed above back wheels. While China is currently Tesla's biggest market outside of the United States, the company's billionaire owner Elon Musk has noted that it would be very difficult to get his novel Cybertruck road legal in Asian countries. The interior of the Dongfeng Cybertruck knockoff remains a mystery, however. Unlike the rest of EV makers line up at the Beijing show, concept truck was cordoned off, preventing attendees from the peeking inside the window or opening its door. Does China Big Four concept truck look like Tesla Cybertruck? Yes, the Big Four Chinese automaker Dongfeng has unveiled a concept truck that has drawn comparisons to Tesla Cybertruck. The Dongfeng concept truck, referred to as the E-Truck or 2024 concept pickup, features a design that is clearly inspired by Cybertruck but with some distinct difference. Here are some key points of comparison. Design influence. Both trucks share a futuristic aesthetic, but Dongfeng concept has softer edge and regular body panel as opposed to Cybertruck's sharp angle and stainless steel exoskeleton. Power. The Dongfeng concept is reported to have 1305 horsepower electric drivetrain, which is more powerful than the Cybertruck's 845 HP Cyber Beast model. Features. Similarities include a rear-mounted tent and a light bar at the front. However, the Dongfeng concept has a side door and a more conventional tailgate design. Interior. The concept truck from Dongfeng boasts a massive display that spans the width of the cabin and other high-tech features. While the inspiration from Tesla Cybertruck is evident, the Dongfeng concept truck brings its own unique element to the table. It's not yet confirmed if the concept will go into production, but it certainly adds an interesting twist to the electric pickup truck market. The Dongfeng E-Truck, also known as the 2024 concept pickup truck, is concept electric vehicle EV presented by Dongfeng at Auto China 2024. Its features are powertrain rated at 1305 HP, which is significantly more than Cyber Beast version of the Tesla Cybertruck that has 845 HP. The design is inspired by Cybertruck but with a softer edge and regular body panels. As for the price, the Dongfeng E-Truck is not yet confirmed for production, and therefore no official pricing has been announced. However, the Tesla Cybertruck price starts at $81,895. If the Dongfeng e-truck goes into production, its price will be a crucial factor in the competition with Tesla offering. For now, we can only speculate on the potential pricing based on the concept, feature, and the current market trend. Keep an eye out for future announcement from the Dongfeng for more definitive information. Yes, Cybertruck is indeed a real electric vehicle. It's a highly anticipated all electric pickup truck from Tesla, known for its unique angular design and robust feature. According to Tesla official website, Cybertruck offers impressive specifications such as estimated range up to 320 miles on the single charge, the ability to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in a little as 2.6 seconds, and the top speed of 130 mph. It also has a towing capacity of 11,000 IPS and comes with a wheel drive. Moreover, independent review and tests have been conducted on the Cybertruck. For instance, a review by Inside EVs discussed the vehicle range, charging, build quality, and compared it to other electric pickup trucks like the Ford F-150 Lightning and the Rivian R1T. They noted that the Cybertruck has a smaller battery capacity compared to other electric pickup, which affect its range. So while there may be differing opinion on its performance and feature, the Tesla Cybertruck is a legitimate EV designed for various driving needs and conditions.